Well, I'm photographing a rainbow here at Hale Bay. It is really spectacular. Let's see, it's about 7:45 on Sunday night. It just happened that a big rain shower pulled through here and it's clearing to the west, so that sun is hitting that rainbow like, oh my God, what a spectacular rainbow. I haven't seen anything quite like that in my entire life.
Wait.
So, what do you think? Turn around and you can see the rainbow.
I know.
That is unbelievable.
Well, they were double. Did you see the two of them?
There's two rainbows, yeah.
The other one is fading now.
Yeah.
Look at the sky over there.
Oh,
It's clearing up. It's done raining.
yeah. It's
Look
all
at that
clearing
sky.
from the east-west, absolutely. That's why the rainbow is so brilliant. Sorry about having to drag you out here like that, but it's really,
I
really
know.
a beautiful
I